Okay, so I'm working on a bias system for the amplifiers, but I wanted to create something more stable. So I building this one for my LDMOS, even though this is gonna be for the 2879 HG or the 454s or 272s, whatever. But this one only needs a thermistor for the transistor. But I explain what I have done and how I'm supplying the voltage and the current right now. This meter right here is reading 100 milliamps. Okay, and which is what the transistor require in order for you to be in class AB. I actually had to put it, I'm gonna pull up my oscilloscope one of these days. I just don't have room in this table. And do a test just on the transistor. Maybe I'll do a video as well to see the voltage when we have intercepted 2 voltage from the base and the collector. It will be another test, but right now I'm doing the bias. Wanted to show you guys what I have done. Oops, I have this one wrong. Need to put the ground here. Bear with me, guys and girls. All right. So I'm supplying the bias with 14 volts. You guys see it right here on the meter on the left hand side. And this is a voltage regulator. I'm getting approximately 12 volts. In this case, it's 1187. Okay. Then I go and try to lower the voltage as much as I can. Very stable. And I'll show you guys what I did here. You guys can check the voltage, and the current is over there. So the current is going to go from this point into the input transformer. Remember, because we wanted to drive the transistor already bias. And here we're getting 282 millivolts. Then we move to the second stage, and there we drop a lot. I'll say 1/4. So we got 66 millivolts, and from there we dropped literally to 16 millivolts. And here's the trick. I drop it to 7 millivolts. It's still getting 99 milliamps. So the less voltage, more current is gonna go. So I think it's pretty good. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna do some tests, further tests, and see how the transistor behaves. And based on the tests that I do with that, and check with the oscilloscope on the voltage and see the voltage it's clean, then I'm just gonna leave this type of bias for the amplifiers that I built. But yeah, you guys can see it, very, very small percentage here. Well, I think that this one, it comes out, I had it, let me see if I can grab it. Let's see. There we go. So yeah, pretty good. 7 millivolts. Not bad. We got 5. I still gotta put the capacitor and see what the reactance is gonna have with the capacitor on it, and we'll do more tests. But for right now, I think it's a very good progress. I can probably put a thermistor in this one too. So when the temperature rise, cuts off the power into the transformer. But yeah, I might do that. But for right now, I want to show you guys what I've been trying to work on. But this bias is going to be for my LDMOS. All right, hope you guys like it. 73.